What's up, YouTube family? It's been a minute. Today, my oil catch can kit came in. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be placing this on the car. So we all know what the oil catch can does. And as you see, there's no oil build up around, but we want to avoid all that. We want to keep fresh oil and not allow it to build up with the car, messing up the motor and clogging stuff up, man. What I did first was I disconnected this right here, and so disconnect the other one as well. So the kit comes with the two of these. So what you want to do is you want to place one right here, place that in there like so, then you want to place the other one in here where it's nice and snug. You're also gonna have to remove this right here with a flathead screwdriver, and this is the Z angle. This right here, this. Now you can just take this out and it'll just dangle there and it'll be stationary, so you don't have to worry about it. So it's gonna probably be stubborn, so try to get your best flathead and try not to be too rough with it. They're a little stubborn sometimes, but we got it off. So it's just a plastic screw. So that's the hole that we will be putting the bracket in. With that bracket comes one bolt, comes a spacer, and this is going to keep it away from the motor, give it a little clearance right there. What we also want to do is, it's going to be in there like this. We want to make this valve come this way. Bada bing, bada boom. So I'm gonna start putting the hoses on there. Got one hose that's bigger than the other one. Long hose is gonna go over here. Short hose is gonna go right there. You might need some type of shears or some type of tool to cut your hose depending on your length. And these are the fittings to go around your hoses. Let's go ahead and get busy. Oh, y'all, we had a doozy. We had a doozy. No fear. Callie is here. So we'll go ahead and mount the bracket right now. And make sure when you do this, it always helps, man, to make sure that that motor is cooled down before you get to doing this stuff. And that's when it gets singed. We ain't trying to do that. It helps to have the right tools for this job. Because if you ain't got the right tools and you get into something, you can make a bad situation worse. Take up a lot of time, mess something up. So always make sure you got the right tools. I went ahead and cut that a little bit more so it was shorter. You wouldn't have all that slack. So now I'm gonna do the shorter hose now. You got enough. Sharp knife. Nice and snug too, man. To get them nice and snug in there. Apply that pressure. That in. nice and clean. Shouldn't be no leftover parts or anything of that nature. Only thing it might be, but some leftover hose. But other than that, we got our going. It's my first time actually putting one of these on my car, you know. Wasn't that bad, but you definitely need these things, especially if you're out there running them. Oh, it preserves life of the motor. You always need that oil filtered out. So I appreciate y'all tapping in, looking at it, looking at my little work today, man. All I ask you to do is like. If it's your first time to the channel, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you. Oh yeah, I didn't get to show y'all the Sauce Walker beads. Glow in the dark. Ooh-wee.